So everyone, does anybody see what's sitting on that chair behind me? Look at what's sitting in the chair behind me, you guys. I walked up on my stairs and there's this pigeon right there. And look at, okay, watch you guys. I'm scared to death because I've never had a pigeon. So here I am. I'm sitting on my porch, and then behind me, there's this pigeon sitting on that Adirondack chair, and I don't know what to do. It's been there for a really long time, and I don't know what to do. Does anyone know what to do with the damn pigeon? Look it. Does anyone know if maybe there's something wrong with its wing? Because I don't know what to do with the pigeon on the chair. And, it scared me because I tried to I'm not petting the pigeon. I'm not petting the pigeon. Like, I'm really weirded out. Look at. Can somebody please tell me if that's normal for a pigeon to be sitting on the chair like that? Because I don't get it. What's up with the pigeon on the chair? I've never had a pigeon on my deck. I've had him up on the roof, and I've had him up on the Howden Hall. No, Megan, I'm scared. I'm already close enough. Okay, watch. I'm very close to this pigeon. Like, I'm putting my hand in this phone directly on that chair. Look at, I'm touching the chair. See? Oh my God. Fred it. What does that mean? Okay, and looking into your soul. Oh my God, it's possessed. And looking into your soul. No, no. What do you guys think I should do? Do you think it's got a hurt wing or something? Is this odd? Look at. Say hello to my new friend. Anyone want to, let's see. Yeah, give it a nibble of bread. Let's see, feed it. Feed it what? Bread? Do you guys think it's got a hurt wing? If this bird comes at me, I'm screaming, okay? I'm screaming. I'm afraid. I don't want to touch it. I don't want to go near it. Birds are birds. What if it has some disease or something? What if it's got a broken wing? What do I do for this bird? Does anybody know how I can help this bird get off the deck? Look. I mean, I think there's something wrong with its wing, guys. Look at, this is a big bird. See? I think it's got something wrong with its wing. What do you think? Look at, it's just sitting on the edge of that chair. I don't know what else to do. Let's see. It hasn't moved since you've been out there. Move the chair. The bird has not moved at all. I mean, I'm standing right next to the bird. Look at, I'm standing next to the bird. I'm sitting down in front of the chair. Here's the bird. Here I am. I'm sitting right next to it. Look at. Go near it. See if it doesn't move, Jill. It does not move. It just sits on that edge of the chair. And all these pigeons live on top of Howden Hall. Sit next to it. Megan, I'm sitting next to it. Look. I'm sitting next to the fucking bird, okay? I'm near the bird. I'm afraid of the bird. Look at this bird's looking at me like, what are you going to do? I'm not sitting in the chair. I'm not sitting in the chair. Like, on the chair. Sit in the chair and give it. I'm not petting the frickin' bird. Oh, my Jesus. Oh. Could you please tell me what you want while you're here? Are you stuck? What's the problem? Okay, I'm talking to the bird, and the bird is not talking back. Does anyone know what do I do with the bird? It's staring at me. Like, literally, its beady little eyes are looking at me. Jay? Okay. Okay. There was nothing wrong with the bird. The bird just flew away. The bird just scared me. The bird just scared me. There's no more bird. It's gone. It's gone. I guess there's nothing wrong with the frickin' bird. Oh, Jesus. That answers my question. Okay, good night, all. I'll see. I like my chair. I know, I'm afraid it'll be back. That's the weirdest thing. I've never seen a